about wonder of nature. I'm very excited because I love nature and animals. Yeah, hey, let's go. Wonder of nature. Introduction. The world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skills. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spit water at bugs. The bugs fall into the water, where the archerfish catch and eat them. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in a tunnel in the ground. Its home has a hinder door made of silk and dirt. The spider hides in its tunnel to hide. Beaver. Beaver shoot through tree trunk. They make dams out of tree muds and stone. Chameleon. Chameleon change color to hide themselves. They even change color to show how they feel. Fly dragon. Fly dragon have skin on their side. That jump opens like wings. They jump and glide from trees to trees. Leaf insect. The body parts of leaf insect look just like leaf. These animals blind when well, with real leaf on trees. Leaf rolling weeds. The female leaf rolling weeds roll a leaf into a cone. She lay her eggs inside cone. The leaf hide and protect her eggs. Play mantic. The play mantic hold its front legs in a play position. The mantic has 5 eyes to help it hunt for food. Mold. Mold dig tunnel to find and eat worm. These animals have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragon. Sea dragon are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leafy parts help them catch food and hide from enemies. Conclusion. Interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. They are all wonder of nature. Bye! Like and subscribe to my channel too.